everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is TheCarineRose. If you're new here, you're welcome and consider subscribing because I have fun videos like today. Actually, I'm going to review kind of a Nigerian space. It's not a restaurant, but it's a spot in a food court, and it's called NIGERIAN Toronto. As you can guess from the name, it's located in the Toronto area, specifically in Mississauga. So I'm going to pick up my friend and we are going to taste Niger food. So you're going to come along with us. I'm going to vlog a little bit, show you the area. I'm going to review it, tell you what I think, what the food tastes like, and if I'm going to go back again. Okay, that's my friend calling me. Oui, so. Tu es devant Pharmaprix?
Oui, je suis à Pharmaprix.
Ok, j'arrive. Here's my friend.
Look who's here!
Ça va? On est toujours près de toi.
Avec quoi?
C'est bien joli.
Pardon. Merci.
Hi. No. Girl.
Oh, my sister. My hair needs to be on flick
Oh
this
là là,
summer.
you look on fleek, all colors. Tu as mis black et puis tu as mis pop of color.
Mais pop of color, what do you think?
Moi, j'ai la sandale jaune.
Ah non, j'aime trop le jaune et le.
Attends, je mets la.
Il y a une couleur là. On appelle ça encore. C'est qui orange genre?
Mais est-ce que tu as des ongles et tout ça?
Ouais.
T'as vu donner?
Non, c'était avec le mariage. Maman, je fais souvent les ongles. C'est souvent toi qui fais le mariage.
C'est ça que je vois.
Non, maman, ma vie ne donne pas, pardon.
Non, ta vie donne très bien, c'est ce que je vois. Attends, je mets le.
Oui.
Oui, je mets l'adresse en fait. This is Surya.
Hey.
We are going to eat good food.
I'm so ready for that jollof rice. I'm so ready.
Do you eat snails?
I've never tried, but I'm willing to try. I've never tried snails.
Even in Cameroon?
Yeah, even in Cameroon, I wasn't eating that.
Oh wow.
My mom never cooked it.
No, I used to buy it on the street.
Oh,
Yeah.
atake.
Yeah.
I know they have that. Let's go. Where is that food court? We've been walking for like 10 minutes.
I don't know. We are looking for the place. Okay. I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
You look good on camera.
Do I?
Even in real life.
Thank you. Where is that food court?
Wow. It's nice.
Are you ready to order?
This is what I want. Snails. And soya. Soya. Yeah. C'est comme les...
Ça c'est du
Non, c'est goat. Je pense que c'est goat meat.
Yeah.
On going to add.
Yeah.
Galette pimentée.
Those are beans.
Yeah, can I have more rice? Maybe four.
Mais non, c'est qu'il y a les œufs, je sais pas ce que c'est. That's jollof and fish.
That's it.
Mais je vois pas le snail.
Hi. Do you guys have
I
snail?
put two more. I will pay for it.
Oh, not today.
Yeah.
What's this one? The name, yeah.
What's this called?
Okay. Yeah, that
A forero?
Main courses, they have different country names.
This is jollof, plantain, and fish.
And here we have
Akara. This is assorted meat, spicy assorted meat.
and the last one.
Soya. You don't have snails, unfortunately, but next time. Oh la 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 la. The pepper on it.
You want me to try it?
Yeah.
Let me
I'll let you try first. Tell me what you think. Because we have soya in Cameroon, so we know how it's supposed to taste like. Le goût de ça. N'est-ce pas? Very good. Oh là là. C'est bon, hein?
Le pepper.
En fait, il faut... Put the onion on the side. J'ai faim. Bon. Oh là là. This soya. So good. Let's try akara. J'ai jamais goûté. I've never tried it. Non mais ça ils font à base de with beans.
Oh beans. Comme les beignets de coquilles chez nous. Beignets coquilles.
C'est vrai, c'est les beignets coquilles. C'est vrai que c'est le même goût.
Même goût, la même chose.
Non mais huile rouge. Non mais huile rouge.
C'est coquilles.
See? We just realized we have this in Cameroon.
Yeah.
Oh là là. On fait pas vraiment les mêmes choses, hein, mais juste différemment un peu.
Là ils ont mis un peu d'oignon pour le goût. Mais à l'intérieur c'est juste du sel, des coquilles et on l'a pris. Peut-être ils ont mis un peu de farine, mais I don't think so.
Oh wow. C'est la même chose.
Les beignets coquilles.
In Cameroon, we just add palm oil in this. It's really good.
It's really good, yeah. C'est bon ça.
Okay, let's try the jollof with fish. Et j'aime ce type de poisson. J'aime pas le maquerel. Nous on aime toujours maquereau. Mais le maquerel c'est un peu comme la sardine. Bizarre. Mais parfois on se trompe. Moi ça m'est arrivé. Je voulais acheter le maquereau. J'ai pu acheter le maquereau.
I'm trying the jollof. The jollof, it's proper. The real jollof.
And even the fish is good too.
Yeah.
Well seasoned. Non.
C'est bon. C'est bon.
Vraiment bon. It's so good. I found this place on Instagram. She lives in Toronto and I'm the one showing her.
I know. Quand tu manges comme ça, se manque de dormir.
The food was
Tellement
so
bien
good.
mangé, so good.
Now we are feeling a little bit sleepy.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they
Snails.
didn't have snails.
Yeah.
So next time we are definitely coming back.
Yep.
And we were too full to try a goosey soup and all those stuff. So we would definitely. They had a 4 roll.
Yeah.
But next time.
So the different things that we tried today was jollof rice, assorted meat. What else? Suya, fish, fried fish, and what was the last one?
Akara.
Akara.
And we realized that in Cameroon we also have akara. It's just that we add palm oil in it.
Yeah, we make it with palm oil, we fry it the same way, and we don't put onions inside.
Yeah.
And I think they had onions inside, but the taste was exactly the same, and it was perfect.
That's when you realize that Africa is Africa. We have the exact same food. We just cook it differently.
It was very good.
It was super good. I really enjoyed it.
It's in Mississauga, right?
It's in Mississauga.
Yeah.
I wish it was like a restaurant so we can go. I can come with all the family.
Yeah.
But it's in a food court. But business-wise, it's good because in the food court you have customers coming.
From
in and out. So.
Yeah. You have more traffic, more people coming, and
exactly.
It's nice. Yeah.
And sometimes even on their Instagram page, you see they will post today we are done with the food is finished already. So it means there is great business. People are buying, people are eating, and it's really affordable.
I live in Toronto, for like what, 8 years, and I've never known about that place.
But
and
I think it's new.
it's new, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it's more than 6 months.
Okay. Okay.
It's new.
She's coming all the way from Montreal to tell me where it is.
Yeah.
Like it's very.
It's really nice, and the price is really affordable.
Yeah.
The only thing that was a little bit pricey was the assorted meat, and I understand why, because those kind of meats are quite expensive. They have goat, tripe, rognon, I don't know how they say it in English.
Yeah, les rognons, les tripes, il y avait aussi du foie, il y avait de la chèvre, la viande de bœuf, et il y avait aussi la peau.
Yeah, the skin.
Like
skin.
6 different types of meat. Yeah, that was really good, and it was soft. Perfect.
Yeah, and a little bit spicy, the way we like it.
Yeah, just the way we like it.
Oh, the camera is not falling, eh? Je savais pas que je pouvais filmer comme ça.
Yeah.
J'ai juste mis aujourd'hui tard. Ok. On peut faire des vidéos comme ça, so.
Il y a une chaîne YouTube où une fille, elle donne les advice aux gens. Je vais t'envoyer la chaîne là. Elle fait ses vidéos que dans la voiture. Donc c'est son truc en fait.
I like the fact that they had combos named by different
countries. Yeah, there was Douala, Kenya. Yeah, all those different
named after different cities. They had Douala, Yaoundé, Johannesburg.
If you're coming to Toronto, don't forget to go there and enjoy the food. Try them out, they're really nice, and tell us what you think you thought about it.
We are going to put a little bit of music to end this vlog, and maybe next time when we go there again we are going to vlog because we want to try different dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what kind of food, Nigerian food, you like to eat. Where are you from? What are the typical dishes that you guys eat?